To import Trust Wallet Face ID login, you need to have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency wallets. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app and tapping on the settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. In the settings menu, select the security option and look for the Face ID or biometric login section. If you are using an iOS device, you will see Face ID, and if you are using an Android device, you may see face recognition or a similar option. Toggle the switch to enable Face ID login, and you will be prompted to scan your face. Look directly at the camera and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Face ID scan. Once the Face ID scan is complete, you will be asked to create a password or PIN as a backup login method. This is an additional security measure to ensure that you can still access your wallet if Face ID is not available. After setting up the backup login method, you will be able to use Face ID to log in to your Trust Wallet account. To do this, simply open the app and look at the camera, and the app will recognize your face and grant you access to your wallet. It is essential to note that Face ID login is an additional security feature and should not be used as a replacement for your password or PIN. You should always keep your password and PIN confidential and use them as a backup login method in case Face ID is not available. In conclusion, importing Trust Wallet Face ID login is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and using Face ID login, you can add an extra layer of security to your Trust Wallet account and protect your cryptocurrency assets.